It's Saturday. I have no idea what we're doing today. All I know is that my parents, I think my sister, went to the store. I was too tired to get up and go with them, so I'm here. So much for getting up early. I read The Hobbit last night. I got through chapter 2. It's a good book. I like it so far. I'm making a thing in the microwave and it's gonna be delicious and I'm gonna put it in my mouth. Cute. So what are we doing?
We're going up to Lake Gregory to walk around the lake.
Hi.
Hello.
You need to play.
Harry!
Oh.
He's so cute when he sits like that. He's just like, hello. Hi. I love this. It's a little painted hobbit door. Harry, go inside. You can't go in. What are you trying to get him to do?
There you go. Sit. Sit. I have scale. Stay.
There's this lady who goes and I think she like builds tiny little hobbit like houses and just like hides them in the woods and stuff. And people walk around and find them. My sister just said down there is where she filmed her music video. And down there is where all the fog was and the mist that made the fire department show up and think there was a fire. Look how pretty that is. Oh, look at the ducks.
There he is. You see him?
Yeah, it's really bright. You think I want to feed you?
Another one over there.
How close he's getting to me.
I know. He's like super chill.
Oh my gosh.
See how Clark says head when I do this?
There's another one coming.
There's so
Getting
many.
assaulted by birds. There's 4 of them now. Come to my friend.
There's 4?
Yeah, there's 2 over there and 2 right here.
Oh my gosh.
I just want to see how close I can get within 2 feet right now.
You're. Hello. You're letting me get so close to you.
Amazing. I think he's the boss of all of them.
Probably. Woo! It's like a log path. Stump path? Log path? Stump path? Every time I come down here now, I think of Hatchet, which is a book I just read about survival and this kid on the lake. Okay.
Drugs.
Now she's dying.
What kind of drugs are you taking? There's some crack cocaine in that salad.
No, honey. Oh, I don't know what happens to me sometimes.
You just like feed into yourself.
I almost black out for a second. I'm serious.
Who needs to go to the ride where you black out?
Oh. have to do anything to make you laugh
I
except
know.
laugh with you.
It's terrible. Whew.
Workout.
Okay, I'm done.
Okay, so I'm currently waiting for Sammy to resend me something because I think she did a vlog and I am so excited. It's not opening, so I'm waiting for her to resend it, but I thought I'd like talk about my day. We went up to Lake Gregory. If you couldn't tell where that was, it was Lake Gregory. It was great. No. Anyways, we just watched a cute movie on Netflix called, I don't know what it was called, but it was about some girl that like sent out love letters to all these guys that she liked but never told, and I don't know, it was cute. I liked it. That's kind of it. I have to go to sleep soon because I have to get up early tomorrow to go to church. I'm playing the cajon with the worship team tomorrow, which means I have to like get there early. So I have to like get sleep so that I'm not dead in the morning and tomorrow. So I'm gonna do that and not spend too much time talking about random things. So I think I'm gonna end it here.